Hello everyone. I want to ask you a question. Are you guys tired of paying expensive cable bills every month and only watching a couple stations? I know I was. So I figured out how to get rid of cable, and I went out and I bought a cheap outdoor antenna at Walmart, and I took that antenna and I hooked it up to the existing satellite dish that they have on the roof, and I was able to get 84 free local stations. I was shocked because I only thought maybe I'd get 10 or 12. I got 84 free local stations and they are clear. It looks like HD to me. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So what I did is I went to Walmart and I bought this TV antenna. It was pretty cheap. It was like 40 bucks. It wasn't too bad. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this thing together, and then I'm going to go outside and I'm going to show you how to hook it up to your satellite dish. And you're actually going to use your satellite dish as your own personal TV antenna, so you can get all your local stations for free with the best possible connection. Okay guys, now when you get to your satellite dish, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to flip this little switch right here, flip this little lever, and that will loosen the end piece here so you could pull it out. Now you're not going to be able to pull it out all the way yet because you're going to have to snip this little zip tie that's holding the cord, so you'll have enough slack to pull the rest of the cord out. Now once you snip that zip tie, now you can pull this end piece out. And what you'll have to do is you'll have to unscrew that coaxial cable from the end piece here. Save this end piece in case you have to put it back on later on. So make sure you don't lose it. So we're just going to take this off and we'll leave that there for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece, which is the base that will hold the antenna, and we're going to screw this right in the middle of the arm here, the arm of the satellite dish. Now be careful when you screw this base in that you don't drill into the cable. You want to make sure you move that cable off to the side so that you don't hit the cable. And I'm just using 3/4 inch self-drilling tips here. I'll show you a picture of them here in a second so you'll know what I'm using. And that goes in there pretty easy right here. 3/4 inch self-drilling tips. They go in there pretty easy. Now this is the arm that will hold the antenna. So you're just going to put these bolts in there to position it so that it will be straight. And then once I get these bolts in there, you just tighten it up. And this is me tightening it up. Make sure you get it pretty tight because you have to remember it's going to have to withstand the weather. Now this is of course the main piece of the antenna, so you'll get the best signal. Now this is what it looks like. Now is when we take this coaxial cable and we're going to screw it into the input part, into the input right here. We'll screw that cable into the input of the antenna. Once we get that tightened down, ready. That's what it looks like. This is what it should look like. Okay, we're doing a channel search and we are looking to see how many channels we're going to get. You can see up here, this is how many channels we've got so far, and these are all the channels that are coming. These are the free stations that are coming in. I'm doing a channel search. So now we're up to 32 stations so far, 35 stations. Let's see how many stations we're going to get. 45. Mind you, these are all free stations that you don't have to pay for. 55, 59. Fox 26. 69 channels. 72 channels. 76 channels. 80 stations. 84 channels.
Complete coverage of your home with an easy-to-use app. Create a cleaning schedule that...
New TLV, not seen before. What is TLV? Today's Let's go.
Okay guys, as you can see we have 84 channels in the living room. Now let's see if we can get channels in the bedrooms as well. Okay, here's the bedroom TV. So we're going to turn on this TV and see how many channels we can get here. Okay, you can see up here we're 16% through the scan and it's got 18 channels so far. We're at 84 now.
I never shot him.
Cocky that time in his coverage a little.
Okay guys, so as you can see we have 84 channels, free channels in the living room, and we have 84 channels, free channels in all the bedrooms as well. So today we learned that we can get rid of our cable bill, save myself $120 a month. I don't know how much you're paying. And I showed you how you can just take an ordinary outdoor antenna that you can buy in any store for cheap and hook that antenna up to your outdoor existing satellite dish to turn that antenna into a super antenna to get yourself tons of free stations. So do me a favor, if you learned anything today or if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.